Hi guys, I am Masoud Ahmad aka MasaudSec, and today I'll be showing you how powerful ChatGPT is. So I just took a random script from internet and decided to modify it a bit. So what basically I did and why you should always try ChatGPT to automate different processes. Well, what I basically here did. So I decided to perform some really basic automation in order to check everything is working fine or not. In this case, what I did, I created a prompt where I write that, hey, first try to install a subfinder tool that we used for subdomain enumeration in Kali Linux environment. If it is already available there, then this is good. Otherwise, simply install it. Okay. Once the subfinder tool installed, that we can use it for subdomain enumeration in order to find out subdomains. Then what you need to do after that, you need to install Go language, because most of the tools run using Go language. That's why there should be Go language also installed. So after that, what it did, it write another line for me, through which you will be able to this script will be basically automatically installing Go language for you, just in case if it is not available there. Then I decide to install httpx tool. And why httpx tool? We can use httpx tool in order to pull out all the live subdomains from an existing list. For example, you have pull out 100 plus subdomains and 40, 50 or 60 out of them are basically dead. Then in this case, what you will be doing, it will be a huge time waste if you started doing pen testing on it. So it is not recommended at all. So what I did here, I run httpx tool on it, and using that httpx tool, at first http we can simply it will install httpx tool if it is not available. And after installing httpx tool, I did another thing too. So what is that main point? The main point is, once we grab all the live subdomains, there should be the nuclei. We will be running nuclei scanner on those subdomains. Means, in order to find out vulnerabilities, what we need to do, we need to run nuclei scan for that. So if the nuclei is installed, good. Otherwise, it will automatically install, download and install it for you, from project discovery repository. After that, what it basically will be doing, it will create a directory for you on the name of the target, and then it will start run subfinder, and then it will run httpx. It will save all the subdomains in a live domains.txt, right? All the live subdomains, I'm talking about live. And after that, it will run nuclei scan, and it will save the results for you, right? So this is how it works. If I show you like how this tool entirely work up, so you can see here we have some results up. By the way, I'm running it on test target. How you can use it, this is the main thing. So first of all, what you need to do, don't worry, I'll provide you the script. You can modify it, you can add so many feature into it. It is just a basic script in order to show you how you can automate the process of reconnaissance or vulnerability, finding different vulnerabilities. So you can save the script with a name, with your own name. I have saved it with MasaudSec.sh, as it is a base script. And after that, you need to type a flag which is hyphen target, and then you need to provide the target. Once you provide the target, it will check for the required tools, and after that, it will start recon on the target. At first, it will run subfinder, and here you can see all the subdomains that that subfinder enumerated. And after subdomain enumeration, it will try httpx tool. And what httpx tool will be doing, basically it will um yeah, it will pull out all the subdomains, live subdomains, so you can see only 4 to 5 subdomains are active. um, and they have actually find 136 subdomains, so only few of them are active, the rest of them are dead. After that, it will run nuclei scan on the live subdomains that it have discovered for different vulnerabilities. For example, it is just a task target, a test target, so don't expect that much. So it literally discover some db.sql, maybe a file related with database. You can pull out so much information, it will start scanning the target for you. Now, how you can further automate this tool? Well, you can add further lines of how you can add asset finder, find domain, a mass tool, and they will be deep doing recon and enumeration in order to find subdomains. And after that, you can run httpx over them, you can run basically different tools. I mean, I just demonstrate how this thing work. The rest is totally up to you, that how you can use it. Okay, so feel free to visit my website, which is MasaudSec.com, and I am available on YouTube as well, as where I upload free content, so you can also subscribe it up. Yeah, take care, have a good day, bye.